day to day I face this struggle. Still I got to stay alive. Temptation cometh on a double. Still I know I must survive. People ask me how I make it, but with strong faith we all can do it. With God in my heart, I am willing to play my part. He is forever my resort. Oh God, Jah will always see me through. Turns my gray skies into blue. Well, Jah will always make things work out right. Yes, everything will be alright with Jah here inside. By the sweat of my brow, I eat my bread. Yes. I work hard and push on ahead. I live a life of honesty, knowing one day I'll see victory. Oh yeah, Jah will always see me through. Yes, turn my gray skies into blue. Jah will always make things work out right, and everything will be alright with Jah here inside. I will rise early in the morning and give thanks for all my blessings. Yes, knowing that Jah is good to me. True love and mercy I receive. Oh, true love. Yes. So much better. Living in a world with so much pain, but I know, Lord, you will see me through. From day to day, my life is so hard. Nowhere to go but open pray. Father, help me today. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. Give me faith. I always pray. In my life, there's always ups and downs. Father, you know I'm always wearing a frown. Give me strength to face another day. And one sweet day, I'll overcome. Father, help me today. Yeah. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. Give me faith. I always pray. Father, I know stress I must be. Why me, Lord? Why can't it share? I won't give up. You'll see me there. You take my hand. I have no fear. Father, help me today. Yeah. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. And give me faith. I'll always pray. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Give me strength, I pray. Oh Lord, yeah. See, living in a world with so much pain, but I know, Lord, you'll see me through. From day to day, my life is so hard.
nowhere to go but hope and pray. Father, help me today. Make my life okay. So much strength on my feet to walk your way.
No hug nor embrace. Zion is a bountiful place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. Hey, this are in a them face. When I come here so sick of them face. Hey, this are greater than great. I chant on the wicked heart way. Wanna see it? Make me know them wouldn't come. So them wicked then I want make them run. You look, you live, you look in a young road. Take positive accumulate of them. Some give me the blessing, cause the blessings will count. Never you worry, I won't miss not a ounce. You this last you no make it up mount. Zion we a pounce, this a African place. Some of me no hug nor embrace. Mount Zion is a very high place. I chant on the wicked chase. I trample in on them face. When I come here suffering I'm from them place. I chant on the wicked chase. I plant on the righteous come break. Oh, tell them say, be so fine with the love one over. Please, no worry your mind if you're working. Please, from you I read that boundary. Please, just let me see your face out of the heat. No yam no me no them all about hana. No worry yourself, no the rasta man now. Look, the lion eat the healing nervous double looks. You don't want praise the way I come on the rocks in your face. Smoke, me no hug nor embrace. When I come here suffering I'm from them place. I chant I'm the wicked at a chase. Hey, trampling on them face. Chant before the wind what a race. Greater than great what's the rate. I chant I'm the wicked at a quay. Do you know? Tell them say rising when it's surprising, bringing them to them size. Get a youth been maximizing, Rasta open them eyes. Round them cross, I see high children stand at the side. Lightning dropping around, they go against the most high. Putting up the evil what they want, they're big and wondering why. Giving the eye in the chant, now they can't satisfy. Now half the seeds are planted, now the youth won't cry. When I all a chant, I know I'm not for go fry. The rivers are go stop and all them fresh got dry. All know them a look to see God come from sky. I build upon them Jesus, now get no reply. Can you do it up this earth? In a them face, smoke, me no hug nor embrace. I chant so I want you to break. I plant, never you chase. Oh, in a them face. When I come here so sick of them face. I plant, righteous will break. I chant, wicked out a chase. No them wouldn't come. Tell them wicked them I want make them stop.
Fire from blaze. Them can't stop this fire from blaze. Them can't stop this fire from blaze. Them can't stop it now. Them can't stop it. Can't cool, can't out. Like Mr. Marley, I a shout. Them a go tired to see we face, but them can't get me out. Can't cool, can't out. Me skin me nah bleach out. I'm black and proud and I'll forever shout. Me country take it fire no fun nonsense. And any government when have no conscience. And no time now for youth go school go one bench. Learn something about a tool like pliers and wrench. Now tell me say your mama no teach you patient. And every day you say you're bad so you lean perfect. There's no long rasta talk no only recent. We burn everything when no distant them fi know say can't cool, can't out. Like Mr. Marley, I a shout. Them a go tired to see we face, but them can't get we out. Can't cool, can't out. Me skin me nah bleach out. Nah stop bunny fire until Buju Banton come out. Them fi know, nothing can't take me off charge of mission. I got no fear for wicked politician. Never take side with opposition. That's why I stand as a villain. And me no run down them popularity. I don't stand up with the minority. That's why me no run down charity. Me and me bridging in clarity. Say can't cool, can't out. Like Mr. Marley, I a shout. Them a go tired to say we face, but them can't get we out. Can't cool, can't out. Me skin me nah bleach out. I'm black and proud and I'll forever shout, yo. Forever man burning, them can't stop this fire from blaze. Them can't stop this fire from blaze.
Them can't stop this fire from blaze. Forever man burning, them can't stop this fire from blaze. Them can't stop this fire from blaze. Them can't stop this fire from blaze. Can't cool, can't out. That Mr. Marley I shout. Them a go tired to see we face, but them can't get we out. Can't cool, can't out.
I will never fail. From my emperor Selassie, I the youth them are ill. I will never fail. I will never fail. I good over evil righteousness must have to prevail. I will never fail. I will never fail. When I broke down the barriers and the borders and the rail. I will never fail. I will never fail. But the black star line I'm on a sail. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one you leave them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one you take them like a lava. Oh, that boy we climb a man border. Cause the woman I'm alone myself we get this saga, yeah. Boom, that one that name chop. All the orders and the discipline. And tell the whole of them not try for this the king. Cause we are the king of all kings. We not eat the fish them cause we know them have to swim. We not eat the bird them cause we know them have to sing. Emperor Selassie ruler over all things. Tell them some be careful of the words when them a fling. Now me tell the youth to grow them locks and say no trim. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one you lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one you take them like a lava. Oh, that boy we climb a man border. Cause the woman them alone myself we get this saga, yeah. So me say you get hypocrites may wanna see me down, but I ain't giving up. I know they trying to push me down, but I ain't giving up. I know they wishing to see me fall, but I ain't giving up. Hey, King Selassie, I am standing tall. Look how I'm living up. Yo, that one you lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one you take them like a lava. Oh, that boy we climb a man border. Cause the woman I'm alone myself we get this saga, yeah. Alright, then that one and this. Well, enough no have no substance. Find Nooks enough get eat out by the
yes, the plain land, yes the plain land. 100 pound of cali weed, where they get it from? The plain land, yes the plain land. Saggle up myself with take interrogation. The plain land, yes the plain land. Make up my mind to face the immigration. The plain land, yes the plain land. Saggle up myself with take interrogation. Search them a search the Taliban. Searching mass distraction. Dash me toothpaste, dash me stimulant. Hold the day a ball and dash a medication. Draw up me belt, left me pants in me hand. Scan all me eye, ask me where me come from. Take off me shoes, them and say take off your tam. If them ever find a with a spliff, you gone another land. The plain land, yes the plain land. 100 pound of cali, tell me where they get it from. The plain land, yes the plain land. Saggle up myself with take interrogation. The plain land, yes the plain land. Make up my mind to face the immigration. The plain land, yes the plain land. Saggle up myself with take interrogation. Travel over land, travel over sea, doing the works of His Majesty. In this new world order, what do you got on me? In this new millennium, Babylon I try to keep the youth dumb. Musical love we sing, that's what we bring. The plain land, yes the plain land. 100 pound of cali, but where they get it from? The plain land, yes the plain land. Make up my mind with
It's much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun. So listen to the messenger I touch down, Lord. Use your words and armor them. Do
Jah works and stammer them. Mighty full power come fi jammer them. Well, some think that the world is all there is. Oh, but what about the power that exists within? Mightier is he that is within you and me than all the things you can see. Listen to Jah messenger, is giving you these words of prophecy. Well, use Jah words and armor them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up Jah lyrics and grammar them. Words sound and power come fit hammer them. Down, down. Hey, use Jah words and hammer them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Oh, down. Them and the one I got. Them and the one I got. Them busting up the place and swear to God set them bad. But I'm mad. No man no better than Master God. Cause he will lick you with the lightning rod. Hey Lord, use Jah words and hammer them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Word sound and power come fi jammer them. Down, down. Use Jah words and hammer them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Down, down. Budada, 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 dang. Budada,
Albarosi.
Sin, Jaja, tell me who is right and who is wrong. Where the truth standing this year, my Gideon. Who is right and who is wrong? Rastafari we praise all night long.
Religion means division, spiritualism, my conception. Who no think alive, me tell them churchalize me, brutalize me, them baptize me, neutralize my brain. Moving free, still in chain. But the light, one day, come whisper to my mind. Your sight, well clear, your soul, well blind. Just preach the truth, no bother watch behind. Rastafari, free up all mankind. Uja bless, I say no man curse. Humble yourself, king, feet down to earth. Wisdom never come costless way from birth. Road is rocky, Jaja, you them half the word.
Tell me who is right and who is wrong. Where the truth standing this year, my Gideon. Who is right and who is wrong? Rastafari we praise all night long. Yeah.
Yesterday is history, yeah. Tomorrow is a mystery, oh. But Jaja lit my destiny, yeah. Oh, how good and pleasant it would be to see different races join together in dignity and equality, yeah. No Rome, no church, philosophy, no Vatican, hypocrisy, no terrorist democracy, yeah. Who's denying to the people them for them basic rights? Oblige them to praise a mercenary Christ. No papa run Mount Zion, no goat can rush no lion. Rastafari slew them, yeah.
Jaja, tell me who is right and who is wrong. Where the truth standing this year, my Gideon. Who is right and who is wrong? Rastafari we praise all night long.
Like Mount Zion, we stand up still.
Don't bring no guns today. Don't need no more gunplay. Can't you see the kids are in the way? Where they gonna play? Yeah. Don't bring no knives today. Don't take another life today. Take out your wife today. Do something right. Youth man is a system. We burn the fire, I'm insisting. We tell the ghetto youths not be no victim. No do nothing if it not uplifting, yeah. Well, youth man is the system. We burn the fire, I'm insisting. We tell the ghetto youths not be no victim. No do nothing if it not uplifting. See ya! Babylon so them stay from long time. The whole of them unjust and unkind. No expect, no better them a mankind. Things is not like one time when every man used to share one dime. Every man a seek for them one online. Till I see any no Constantine. Until they get the youth to find, yeah. way they gonna play, yeah. Don't bring no knives today. Don't take another life today. Take out your wife today. Do something right. Youth man is the system. We burn the fire, I'm insisting. We tell the ghetto youths not be no victim. No do nothing if it not uplifting, yeah. Well, youth man is the system. We burn the fire, I'm insisting. We tell the ghetto youths not be no victim. No do nothing if it not uplifting. Zita! Babylon fly out the youth, them man send them go abroad. Make the youth them feel like send them large. Then little more me send them gone at large. They scrape them up and pack them up and send them back a yard. Neglect them and reject them, me say with no regard. You scoop them and you scrape them and you send them to the dogs. Then you go give them all the gun in a barrage. I'm warning you, I'm telling you, this system is a fraud. Put a tap on the landline. Them no punctual, them never unkind. Your promises them from long time. That's why they get to youth, them come and sing and say again. Tell the youth, the sun will shine for you. Things will be fine for you. As long as you're mindful of you, Jah will see you through. The rain will fall for you. The roll will call for you. As long as you stand tall for you, Jah will see you through. Youth man is the system. We burn the fire of the system.
Love needs vacation too. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Woman, words mean so much, but I'm a man of few. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Sometimes I'm just in a different state of mind. My reaction to action take too much time. You keep showing me love, yet it seemed I was blind. Never disconnect your love line. Out there is such a race. Oh, woman, must keep up the pace. Alright. When it's time to have your fun, you'll find tears running down your face. Oh, love needs vacation too. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Woman, words mean so much, but I'm a man of few. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. I know real love is hard to find. When you're out of sight, you're never out of mind. Unpredictable as I may be, I am sure one day you will see there's a greater part of me that only wants to be free. With no strings attached. Love me, woman, could you love me like that? Oh, oh, love needs vacation too. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Woman, words mean so much, but I'm a man of few. And that doesn't mean I don't love you. Put your head upon my shoulder. Let's go on, older and older. Wanna be with you. Alright, all my life I'll treasure. Girl, and let's stand together. Stop, stop, step, stop, step, start up.
Say you a bad man fine, and you no stop and left your gun no time. Say them heartless and mean, when them a step with them team. Now a white suit and time for forensic. When me say step on and no petty thief. Step on and no take a man and step for the worst. Man a go step for the better. Step in a Great Britain, step in a Merrimaca. 2 degrees cool, man a step when he hotter. No make no mistake, confused step and wind shatter. Man a step and survive, shatter, brain get splatter. If you think I go ask Bigfoot and fatter. When me say, I ask them, say you a bad man fine, and you no stop and left your gun no time. Say them heartless and mean, when them a step with them team. Now a white suit and time for forensic. Quiet of surveillance, agents and stitch. Stop no time to linger, man, if you move too quick. No shells left behind, you better move well legit. Solid composure, use your head can't sing. Woman and Britney, still laugh limit. I step and never tell him woman him secret. Whether you step in a private or in a public. Step
Stepper could remember the stepper, ethics and stepper. Stepper and no petitive, stepper and no take a man and step for the worst. Man I go step for the better. Step in a Great Britain, step in a Merrimaca. 2 degrees cool, man I take when he hotter. No make no mistake, confuse stepper with shatter. Tepper, and survive, shatter, brain get splatter. If you think I like go ask Jack and fatter, that one you joke you like a maca. Say you a bad man fine, and you no stop and left your gun no time. Say them atlas and mean, with them a step with them teen. Now a white suit and time for forensic. Well me say stepper and no petitive. Stepper and no take a man and step for the worst. Man I go step for the better. Step in a Great Britain, step in a Merrimaca. 2 degrees cool, man a step when he hotter. No make no mistake, confuse stepper with shatter. Man a step and survive, shatter, brain get splatter. If you think I like go ask Bigfoot and fatter, where we say, I ask them, say you a bad man fine, and you no stop and left your gun no time. Say them atlas and mean, with them a step with them teen. Now a white suit and time for forensic. Quiet of surveillance, agents and stitch. Stop no time to linger, man if you move through quick. No shells left behind, you better move well legit. Solid composure, you your head can't sick. Woman and Britney, still off limit. I step and never tell him woman name secret. That you step in a private or in a public. Stepper could remember the stepper, ethics and stepper. Stepper and no petitive, stepper and no take a man and step for the worst. And I go step for the better.
Praise him all the earthly things. Hail the King of Kings, look at the tidings he brings. On the feet, to all them a flex, Rasta man a fi rebel. As them so weird, them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail King Selassie and the whole and them then. With a friend, after fire burn them down again. To all them a flex, Rasta man a fi rebel. As them so weird, them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail Queen Omega and the whole and them then. With a friend, after fire burn, we coming like thunder, just like earthquakes. Some of them are run for cover in a them secret place. Lightning not turn them over like porridge in a plate. Burn down a flesh, yeah, of them don't know them spice. This is the night of being the earth, majestical lift. Yes, me know them in a fight, we just a joke and mystic. Rasta youths, I know it, burn them rights and writs. Always do the voice with the word from my lips. To all them a flex, Rasta man a fi rebel. As them see with them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail King Selassie and the whole and them then. With a friend, burn them down with fire all again. To all them a flex, Rasta man a fi rebel. As them see with them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail Emmanuel and the whole and them then. My friend, fire all upon them again. Just watch them speech. Beyond the lookout, Sizzla seats of the east is my road. Stand up on your feet, cause this a more than joke. Involving sound of easy man, a snare them coke. But all who come out Selassie, I bound to take root. But blossom and full this earth with fruit. Tap more rain and wash the pain from the youths. It take no strength to tell the truth. On the fruit, to all them a fresh Rasta man a fi rebel. As them so with them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail King Selassie, I'm the whole and them dead, my friend. At the fire burn them down again. To all them a flex Rasta man a fi rebel. As them so with them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail King Selassie, I'm the whole and them all dead, my friend. Lightning and thunder, tell them send the charge out. We help hurry and move too fast. Things must be done, we come to do without the past. Long bound to come to delete strife and rot. Your duties, you're not done on your seat. You was kind off.
They say what they wanna say, and let they do what they wanna do. They say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. So let they say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. Yeah. Well, let's establish a world where there is no discrimination, no oppression, no exploitation. Let us dismantle the shackles of hate and destruction. Love is the healing force of King Selassie, I prescribe it for all nation in all nation. To embrace the feeling of love, it is so important. Can I compel our heart for justification? Brother, say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. Say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. So let they say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. Say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. Alright, now them say inside black against each other, encouraging murder among themselves. Then them say murder among black cases should be a very little punishment.
So them implement method like fertility destroyer, fertility destruction, combat unit, sex mercenary squad, maternity hospital operation. Well, the fertility destroyer and the fertility destruction is a slow poison drugs that they plan to smuggle through the brews, which is the liquor, and through the drinks, gears, and through the food. So they say through the channel of black, this could reduce their population. And they are also investigating the merit of uterus rental through surrogate mothers to speed up the growth of them population. So it's all about the Illuminati, Lucifer 2000, New World Order. Say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. Say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. Wanna make them say what they wanna say, and let they do what they wanna do. Or make sure anything you do it true. Alright, remember again. Well, I've been warning them for the longest time. Still them never pay me no mind. And even though I try to cool and humble, they still wanna see I fall and stumble. But I will never give up the faith, cause I know Rastafari is a saying that oh wait, I and I will pass through great tribulation, never get caught in Babylon dissolution. But better Paul, heal up the lion. Well, Babylon a full time on the reckon. Commend the youth, I'm on the positive mission. If you don't hear me, king, prepare for no dismission. Well, Babylon now open up hear me expression. This is not a letter, nor a telegram, I just me read now. Fire come back. Say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. Say what they wanna say, do what they wanna do. Then how could I be a traitor and a sellout to my own heritage and my culture? Well, in terms of philosophy and heritage and culture, I've never taught in the school, nor the institution, nor the college. So them try to limit my education and teach me about Rome. Them teach me about Christopher Columbus. Them teach me about Napoleon. Them teach me nothing about Ethiopia. Them don't tell me nothing about Rasmussen. And them don't tell me nothing about Haile Selassie. Them don't tell me nothing about Marcus Garvey. More about the Battle of Doha, the Wall Battle, Mussolini War. Hey, I want to roll again. So, say what they wanna say, and let them do what they wanna do. Say what they wanna say.
Well, I know how we stay, and that's how we stay. So we not go stray, and we not go play. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. Life we promote it every night and day. Well, and that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. Burning down. Ask them when them feel like never get the real life. Wow, they never lost the sea life. Then why you take a real life? Wow, now ask them when them feel like never get the real life. Wow, they never lost the sea life. Then why you take a real life? They all in a killing spree. They want to kill all the people them in the world they kill for free. All in a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like them promote and I will never disagree. All in a killing spree. They want to kill all the people them in the world they kill for free. All in a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like them promote and I will never disagree. Yo, that is the ultimate, so I will never intervene. I know I won't be lying in the valley of the breeze, but in the hills and the valley, the springs and the stream. Well, righteousness more open. Well, Babylon, Missy said them not straight, Missy said them lean. Well, Emperor Selassie is the high supreme beam. Well, righteousness to get the youth there. Burn them. They all on a killing spree. Them want to kill all the people them in the world they kill for free. All on a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like to promote and I will never disagree. They all on a killing spree.
Okay. Everyone is looking for a better way out. No one wanna suffer, no one wanna stay out. So tis a life, you got to go do something. You're surely inspired the young and the upcoming. Some people think they could get all the work, so they sit and idle and they don't want to work. You know what's right, you do what's best for you. All I've got is love and respect for you. Out mind and soul, children ain't for your goal. The very young and the old, I protect us all. Heart, mind, and soul ain't for your gold. The very young and the old, I protect us all. And the whitest people turn from Jah. Stupid and they won't they learn from Jah because of foolish ways and cruel anger. They were scattered all amongst the strangers. Homeless children having no parents, no one to love care, nor educate them. I hope and pray that doesn't turn to They say for them no place provide. Heart, mind, and soul. Children aim for your goal. The very young and old. Jah protect us all. Yeah. Heart, mind, and soul. Children aim for your goals. The very young and old. Jah protect us all. Don't try to deceive me. No. Don't try to mislead me. Keep your head high and be strong. No one but Jah knows where you're coming from. Won't have my blessing and losing. First fruit is a golden opportunity. Heart, mind, and soul. Children aim for your goals. The very young and old. Jah protect us all. Heart, mind, and soul. Jah protect us all. Children aim for your goals. Glory to the old. Don't you know? When you work, your best, you always achieve.
Babylon system hey. Yes, in a wide and specialize. Poison the mind and bring the guns and ammunitions. Take people life. Yeah. Hey, Babylon, you never wise. Them searching for someone to lead them to violence and crime. Not right, but I say that sure as the sun it a shine. One day the people that go seek and go find. And when them stop from divide and unite, I'm your gorilla and up in your side. Yes, it's gonna be war. Them no afraid fi bust your head like a ball when they turn in a war. Better you build a spaceship and go on Mars. Cause when the cup overflow and the judgment is upon you, Babylon, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Get where you gonna run to. Cause when the tables are turned and the sufferers them start learn, and at the sight of your skin be burn, what you gonna do? Hey, where you gonna run to? I step trick with them present the world in a recession, but money still a spent on rocket science and religion. Them keep the people in a very superstition. Then them sell them up and collect from their religion. Them got the science in a lab, creating disease, and a profit of the 6 hours the food where you eat. Dirty Babylon and lions and teeth. A lot of hungry mouths them left and no hungry burn street. Yeah. Life has been taken away. Yeah. And for that sake, Babylon led them astray. Yeah. But one thing I know, there is that big price to pay. Babylon they got the grip up on the people when you make. And they will be living and not nothing of need. Now when the cup overflow and the judgment is upon you, Babylon, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Hey, where you gonna run to? Cause when the people are dead and the sufferers
oh yes, for true. Youth face the fact that we must accept the truth. Life had no chance to take, but it's what we choose. Yeah. Be blessed and do the best all you could. Every road has an end. Don't want the absolute. Youth face the fact that we must accept the truth. Do what is right, let no one take you feel no fool. Yeah. Be blessed and do the best all you could. Every road has an end. Now follow the evil Batman, lies and company. Good vibe we say, virtue was full of quality. Never settle for the less, sell out the vanity. How what it is to be blessed and show some mercy. And all the choices you make, find your destiny. What gives you the sense to ignore the consequences? No man is self-sufficient, no man free of need. Why can't we go for the best, that everlasting? For true, youth face the fact that we must accept the truth. Life had no chance to take, but it's what you choose. Be blessed and do the best all you could. Every road has an end. Don't want the absolute. Youth face the fact that we must accept the truth. Do what is right, let no one take you feel no fool. Be blessed and do the best all you could. Every road has an end.
Me no would in a ship road some kind of vulture. Amongst yourself to watch your brother and your sister. Know yourself or know your parents, love your culture. Show love and appreciate life as a favor. With the liquid that you gain, not on no traitor. Remain sincere to yourself, God is the savior. Coming all the way from Mama Africa. Yo, smiling pose up, say the Gambia. No human being could ever refute the truth, Lord. Yeah, stay the same and never change. No matter how you think to refuse it, Lord. Through all the circumstances, tell them to realize this has good signs, Lord. As you rise, as you see another day. Yeah, oh Lord, yeah. Oh yes, so true. Youth face the fact that we must accept the truth. Life has no chance to take, but it's what you choose. Be blessed and do the best all you could. Every road has an end. No one be absolute. Youth face the fact that we must accept the truth.
Give thanks for the sunshine. Time to open your eyes. Give thanks for the sunshine. Black people stop acting blind. Give thanks for the sunshine. Now it's time to be wise. Give thanks for the sunshine. Never look like the sun. Tell me the time. Let there be light, we don't need no darkness. Old vampire, well I seek your carcass. Tell the 666 please, them can't mark this. I Selassie, I send the harvest. Chase my rock, my shield and fortress. To the storm and the red forest. No bad mind, no grudge, no malice. In a one room or palace. Remember, you rise to see the morn. Give thanks to see another day. Your life a carry on. No matter what the people say. Say yeah, yeah. Come with evil play. Keep talking in every way. The greatest thing is just sunshine. Open up your eyes, give thanks for the sunshine. Black people stop acting blind, give thanks for the sunshine. No, it's time to be wise, give thanks for the sunshine. Never have no clock, the sun tell me the time. Yes, it's important for me and you. Also the animals and the plant too. Ancient Indian used to praise it too. I'm a witness to what the sun can do. Sun is natural, so it bring fire. Turn up your temperature, make you perspire. Dry up sea, dry up river. Looking at the sun, all face me see Jaja. Sunshine. People open your eyes, give thanks for the sunshine. Black man stop acting blind. Natural and beautiful to see the sun rise up. It's morning, so give thanks, give thanks. Oh, what a beauty to see the sun has set. It's evening. Give thanks, give thanks. The sunshine. People open your eyes, give thanks for the sunshine. Black man stop acting blind, give thanks for the sunshine. No, it's time to be wise, give thanks for the sunshine.
Bless my soul, no child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go that way, so that I never stray from thee, no way. As I journey on through life, this road seems never ending. Be my light so I might find the way that's narrow and winding. Help me hold my faith and lead me to thy gate. Let me enter in your pavilion of righteousness. Bless my soul, no child, and all that's within me. Bless my heart, I pray, and be my company. Guide my steps, I say, and let me go that way, so that I will never stray from thee, no way. I will sing of mercy and judgment unto thee, O Lord, and I will walk along thy path with a perfect heart. I will set no evil thing before my eyes, and I will give thee praise with each day I rise, and I will never get weary, as long as you are here with me. I will walk uprightly.
walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. They took iron light from Africa and bring iron light in bondage. Promise that they gonna free I, but all I get is destruction. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Tired to see children dying. I'm tired to see mothers crying. They took iron light from Africa and bring iron light in bondage. Please take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take it away, take it away. World with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Tired to see children dying, tired to hear mothers crying. They took iron light from Africa and bring iron light in bondage. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Burning Babylon down. They just can't stop me now, 'cause I keep rolling on. I'm a winner from the day that I was born. As I ride, lift my head above the waters. Among the daughters, right? Bless the mothers and the fathers, right? Above the borders and the barrier. Well, Shango say, just share some love for humanity. Don't carry grudge, true vanity, and never lose your sanity. I end up in a calamity. Some may say again. Right, I know we need a change of policy. Tired of the war, it caused too much atrocity, too much verbal controversy, too much animosity. Want to eradicate the crime, you have to burn the poverty. As long as I live, I give and forgive and do good I can. Whoa, I just burn, Jah, burn. and she then hot like Scotch bandic paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jaja, burn them. Burn all the heathen and she then hot like Scotch bandic paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Judgment to a wicked and evil down pressure. Who try to hold the poor man down, oh Lord. Retribution to those heartlessly drivers. Receive your reward for wrongs you have done, Lord. No escape from the wrath of Jah. Answer to your Creator. Yes, Stagnam you suffer. Wicked man must go under. Burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the heathen and she then hot like Scotch bandic paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the heathen and she then hot like Scotch bandic paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Gonna burn them down. Heathen go down. Yes, a long time I've been sweating and toiling in a hurricane field. And although we've been struggling, I know we no get a fair deal. Well, as a little war busts out and we first put on the battlefield. But for the innocent lives we've been taking, it's to Jaja we appeal. Yes, I say burn, Jaja, burn them. Burn all the heathen and she there. Hot like Scotch bandic paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jaja, burn them. Burn all the heathen and she then hot like Scotch bandic paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Jah burn them down. He then go down. Lord. Them enslave I and turn I and I into.
Give it up, greedy Joe. See you taking all your bounty from me, come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. You didn't be used them in a corruption and grow, yo. Give it up, greedy Joe. See you taking all you gonna fall me, come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. You didn't them in a corruption and grow. Well then, see how me have one you've been wanting. Then you run, come and grab I have been asking. Why is the youth them live it you have been stealing? Bigger man member of concrete make your ceiling. What's the meaning of life without living? I live so, I have to continue giving. See you making your jobs, well then I come reaching. Give me no more mishaps, get a youth, no more killing. I'm still gonna say give it up, read it out. See you taking all you have, go for me, come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. You did the youth them in a corruption and grow. Hey, just keep that up, read it out. See you taking all you have, go for me, come for make. Oh no no, so speedily you no turn me for. You have the youth in a corruption. Well then, the day makes possible everything. So take your share and live loving to the way you've been handling the youth. Then we got to sing. Judgment keeps on coming, your fans will be burning. Beat the levels, you get nothing. I bring the soda, I bring the sing. Look at the crowd, love they bring. Shout aloud, that's the last I think. What's you dirty living? Fire will be burning. I give that up, read it out. See you taking all your bounty for me, come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. You have the youth them in a corruption and grow. Give it up, read it out. See you taking all you're gonna fall, we come for make you know. So speedily you turn me for. Yo, stop up them in the grow.
It's taking off like an arrow.
There's no mountain I can climb, and there's no river I can cross. A survivor. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. You can tell me what I can do, 'cause I know what I can do. A survivor. If you see I try to the street without shoes in my feet, it's because they steep. But I'm feeling them, I got their seat. They are looking for their feet. The challenges of face keep me firm on my feet. Solid and concrete. By the time I've rejected, but I know I'm elected. Still singing on the reggae. ranking cross, a survivor.
I'm a survivor.
You can't tell me what I can do, cause I know what I can do, a survivor. What one man can do, many men can do. Self-preservation, self-reliance. Faith is the key, won't accept defiance. Cause I'm blessed, can't take no stress. I deserve the best, ain't nothing less. Even if I have to fight to keep my goals in sight, I deserve the right. I am who I am. There's no mountain I can climb, and there's no river I can cross, a survivor. You can tell me what I can do, cause I know what I can do, a survivor. I'm blessed. I rise up today, I see a new day. I'm blessed. Got 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 eyes, 2 ears. I'm blessed. I won't accept limitation. I'm blessed. I've gone through the worst and passed the test, yes. There's no mountain I can climb, and there's no river I can cross, a survivor. You can tell me what I can do, cause I know what I can do, a survivor.
Take it with a smile when them rise with dirty heart. Use some soft words, divert the wrath. Take it with a smile, them want you feel the early part. No make Lucifer cut your journey short. Take it with a smile when them rise with dirty heart. Use some soft words, divert the wrath. Take it with a smile, them want you feel the early part. No make Lucifer cut your journey short, short, short. Juggle while you struggle underneath the stress. No give up, just live up and go and seek the best. Wear a smile all the while. Do it even when you feel depressed. Yes, life is a challenge, not an easy quest. Press for the best, I beat the streets for less. Head for the east, if nothing I go on, don't leave the west. Bad mind is like a fungus, defeat the pest. Take it with a smile when them rise with dirty heart. Use some soft words, divert the wrath. Take it with a smile, them want you feel the early part. No make Lucifer cut your journey short. Take it with a smile when them rise with dirty heart. Use some soft words, divert the wrath. Take it with a smile, them want you feel the early part. No make Lucifer cut your journey short, short, short. Them no want you see the spotlight. Hold your head up, hold your head up. All when them sit down for your name and a backbite. Hold your head up, hold your head up. No give up and know your life rough like Scotch Brite. Hold your head up, hold your head up. Stand up firm all when the heat and them not stop fight. Hold your head up, hold your head up. Take it with a smile when them rise with dirty heart. Use some soft words, divert the wrath. Take it with a smile, them want you feel the early part. No make Lucifer cut your journey short. Take it with a smile when them rise with dirty heart. Use some soft words, divert the wrath. Take it with a smile, them want you feel the early part. No make Lucifer cut your journey short, short, short. So them a friend but them no sincere. Them a hypocrite, me see everything clear. This same man we smile and pretend like him care. Or him same man a dick pit for you drop in the air, your ear. Them no want to see you blink clear. Because every time that happen, Jem and Kim steer. True you now follow them go a bar, go drink beer. Them sit down for your name like rocking chair. Take it with a smile when them rise with dirty heart. Use some soft words, divert the wrath. Take it with a smile, them want you feel the early part. No make Lucifer cut your journey short. Take it with a smile when them rise with dirty heart. Use some soft words, divert the wrath. Take it with a smile.
So highly blessed is the one who seeks your glory. Your blessings will remain. You will never be ashamed. So many been fighting wars from ancient history. Your love remains the same. I've got no complaint. There's nothing to compare to you when you seek His face. And no matter what we could do, love is no disgrace. We've got to realize righteousness is a prize. We've got to show the way to the youth man of today. Man was made to live like little children, who's not too proud to play. Wickedness fades away. Hate and hypocrisy
was never meant to be such blatant reality for all the world to see. There's nothing to compare to you when you seek His face. And no matter what we could do, love is no disgrace. Peace and harmony is what we all should seek to gain true victory. Yeah. We really should live protecting one another. There should never be a doubt. Now my brother's keeper with a positive mind, all evil left behind. Only your love can make you shine, shine, shine. Got to love one another. Seek your first, blessing His name. Yeah.
Oh, I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving, that's for sure. I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving, that's for sure. No matter what I do, I can't seem to break through. Thought I'd done my best. Now they're still asking for the rest.
What do you do when you feel lost? How do you find your way around? What do I do to pay the cost? To get myself up from off the ground.
I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving, that's for sure. I can't stand this anymore. I am leaving, that's for sure.
Giving up is not an option.
No, no, no. There are ways I must create.
Yeah. Despite the opposition,
I have no time to hesitate.
I can't stand this
anymore. I am leaving.
No. Hey, now live the life you love the life you live. Remember you should care. Remember you should give. Live the life you love the life you live, and share and care for each other. Sometimes we take things for granted, yes. We never treat people like we should, yes. And that makes them feel so unwanted. Whoa. Just a little smile will make someone feel good. We know life is a pilgrim journey, and we may not pass this way again. So show a little love, throw away all envy and grudge. Pray for your enemies, bless your friends. Remember, live the life you love the life you live. Remember you should share, remember you should give. Live the life you love the life you live, and care and share and care. Now it was written in the Bible that if you want to see your face, first you must learn to be humble, and from your heart you must put away all hate. Yes, now, so listen to your conscience. Yeah. is always speaking to you. It's there as your guide. It never leaves your side, showing you the right thing you should do. Well, you got to live the life you love. Yes, let your blessing flow from above.
Bro, this life not just a figure of speech. Mind what you talk, be careful where you walk. There is a spiritual light man fi reach. Some people stop before they even start. Directed by emotions every time that they speak. Always living with a heavy heart. Feeding from the lowest part on the tree of life. So them can't see the heights. Information it is different from a knowledge different. It is better for you to know directly than to believe. Intuition can't be learned in a college, my friend. Divinely is the true way that everyone should believe. Yo, cause in the beginning there was the word that took unto itself flesh and dwell amongst man, yeah. On the tree of life, run come see the heights, say. Word is like not just a figure of speech. Mind what you talk, be careful where you walk. There is a spiritual light man fi reach there. Some people stop before they even start. Directed by emotions every time that they speak. Always living with a heavy heart. Feeding from the lowest part on the tree of life. So them can't see the heights, say. Create a balance between the spiritual and material realm. That's the only way the evil in the man will be seen. I listen and see I the first Rastafari tell it to them. Burn down jealousy, envy and greed. Man should be living up at one, but it still they are 10. The animal part of the spirit of feed from the lowest part on the tree of life. So them can't see the heights. He say man is only as good as his word. Listen for it, all of you heard. Man, yo, is only as good as his word. Listen for it, all of you heard. Say a man is only as good as his word. Only as good as his word. Man is only as good as the word that he speaking. Word is like not just a figure of speech. Mind what you talk, be careful where you walk. There is a spiritual light man fi reach. Some people stop before they even start. Directed by emotions every time that they speak. Always living with a heavy heart. Feeding from the lowest part on the tree of life. So them can't see the heights. Say man is only as good as his word. Yo, yo, man. Yeah. Man is only as good as his word.
Look, some of my parents, let me dollar show I certain things. I used to laugh still. But you don't know man if I come and live him live. I stand up and watch them. All the parents I make all the mute and go in a bubble on. Come see you now, then. Come look you now, friend. Right. They get to youth them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is their surname? Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess I see them picking up them brains. Homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is their surname? Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess, hey. Bless of those who pray. Give thanks. Many come and say still they read blank because of negligence. You're lowering their rank. I refute your statement. Where is the balance? House of false of bent. I mean you haven't done a damn. We economical well tight. Who no yam. Left me in a nothing but devastation. And now you're gonna call another election when them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark. Is that surname? Homeless. Who bears the pain? From the mess I see you picking up your grains. Homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark. Is my surname? Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess. Hey, what is it you can tell me when the stable's still lean? You keep rocking the boat, yo, you know what we mean. What's your reaction when they flip up on the screen? Say your police and your soldiers kill a community clean. Hey, there, your system to our pocket is a razor. So your money will trickle to you later. You don't help any, know why you decide to suffer. Now you sell us out to please your ego. Me call upon the girls and you them to stay strong. Them don't have no title for the earth, only for the land. Still I see on the roots, never take it wrong. Don't refine your line, it's stand up black man. Cause the girls so you them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless. Who bears the pain?
people figure I'm homeless. Who is to be learned? Question mark. Is that surname I'm homeless? Who bears the pain from the mess? Oh yes, I want to reach an old man. I tell you really soon. Africa be still cause I come whether night or noon. My roof all the sun starts.
Somewhere beyond the blues, there's a mansion for me. Somewhere beyond the blues, I'm longing to be. I'll see my Savior's face, I'll sing of saving grace. Somewhere beyond the blues, someday. Just wanted to be there, a place so I'll be there, away from all this war and fear. I know we both belong, all sorrows will be gone, so I will keep the faith and be strong. So I'm working my way to the kingdom, away from the sins of this world. I trust and pray that I will make it to my celestial home, somewhere beyond the blue. Somewhere beyond the blues, there's a mansion for me. Somewhere beyond the blues, I'm trying to be. I'll see my Father's face, I'll sing of saving grace. Somewhere beyond the blues, somewhere. The time will not be long before I sever all my bones and take my rightful place by my Father's hand. The angels I will sing, among the saints I will be rejoicing, giving thanks and praises to the King. Somewhere beyond the blues, there's a mansion for me. Somewhere beyond the blues.